This video we are going to see how we can add a new item, edit item, and also delete item, right? So adding a new item, editing an item, and then deleting item, all this we will see in this video. So for adding a new item, let's come to item section, right? And here you have to select. First of all, you have to select a store, right? So you have to choose in which store you are going to add an item. So suppose that I have chosen new store 1, and you can see currently here is no item present, right? So we have to add item in new store 1. So what we will do, we will go to add item section, right? Click here, and when you will click here, you can see item name. So suppose that I have item name like anything. We can take suppose that we have a USB cable, right? We have a USB cable. It's you have to enter its purchase price. So let's say it's 50 without GST. With GST you can select. So if you don't have a GST registered business, then you have to select without GST. If you have a GST registered business, then you have to select with GST, right? And then you have to select its MRP, that is 60, and then its selling price, that is 60, right? Then you have to select here price unit, and here you get many options, right? Piece, box, packet, right? So if we are talking about USB cables, then we can select boxes, right? Or we can also select piece, right? So price unit will be piece. Adjustment code, you have to enter adjustment code. If you have a GST registered business, then you will enter here adjustment code. You will select the GST rate. But if you don't have a GST registered business, then you can leave this section. Then quantity for low stock alert. What this option means? This option means that when your stock will reach to a lowest value which you are going to set here, then you will get a notification or alert that the stock of that item has been reduced, or the stock of that item has been low in your store, right? If I select here 10, then what does this mean? This means that when in my this store which I have selected, right? So basically I am going to select new store 1. So in this store I am adding this item. So in new store 1, let's say my current available stock is 40, right? So my current available stock is 40, and when my stock will go to 10, then we will get an alert, and then you have to choose a category. You can select any category. Suppose we have many categories, but if you want to add a new category, then you can add a new category, and you can select here cables, right? So we made a new category cables, and we saved it. So now you have to go and select cables, right? So yeah, all done. We have selected all the options, and also I told you what this low stock alert means. Low stock alert means when your quantity in the store will reduce to this point, okay, then you will get an alert message that your stock is low. You should fulfill that stock, right? So let's save here, and it will get added. So you can see in view store 1, previously there was no item, but now it has a USB cable item, remaining stock, purchase price, and everything you can see here. And if you want to edit the details, then you can click here and you can edit the details that you want to edit, right? And you can save it. If you want to delete this item, if you want to release the item, then you have to definitely click here on delete item, and this item will get deleted, right? You have to select yes, and this item will get deleted. So when you will come back to new store 1, there will be no items, right? No item. So this is how you can add a new item, edit item, or delete item. I hope you got the point. But if you still have any doubt, you can ask us in comment section. We will try to reply. And make sure to like the video, share with your friends, and also suggest them to go to stock register app and use it for their business purposes. Thank you.